Alright, BB. We're over here at Big Tom's in Winter Haven, off of Havendale Boulevard. Big Tom's Diner. And it looks like they have... Yeah, but I did notice one thing that they did have, if I can find it, on my menu, is they had the 2-pound challenge for $17.99.
Oh, wow.
Only for the brave. 2 pounds of cheeseburger, french fries within 30 minutes. And you get your picture taken in the Wall of Champions. And that's that wall that's over there with all those pictures.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Wow. Well, I know one thing. I can't have 2 pounds.
That's too much to eat.
Alright, BB's going for that Reuben for $7.19. Right there. And I think I'm gonna go for one of these burgers. I'll probably go for the cheeseburger. Alright, baby.
Alright,
I'm gonna get the cheeseburger for $8.49
Okay.
with $1.99 because you could change the side up with baked beans.
That's not bad.
But yeah, this used to be Golden Corral Martin's and a Spanish place. I remember coming here when it was Martin's. And it's definitely a big place.
I want to come back here for their dinner. They have a lot to choose from for
Yeah,
dinner.
they got like a lot of those food challenges. That's what I like there. I mean, I know I can't. I mean, $18 is still good for 2 pounds. Even if you don't eat it, you can bring it home.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But wow, they got a lot of pictures up there. I'm gonna see if I can get a video of that picture of the Hall of Fame. And we got 2 Cokes. 2 Cokes. And guess what? I got a place that remembers when I fell in love with ketchup.
Oh, boy.
It's my favorite place, but old ketchup. Alright, BB. You attacking my fries?
I am.
Okay. That's your Reuben, dude. With your coleslaw. Let me know if that's homemade. Looks like it could be.
Looks like it is.
BB's the coleslaw queen.
I love my coleslaw. Oh,
That's
that
it.
stuff is good.
Is it?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I can't wait to look at that Reuben. Oh, shoot. Someone read this here. Do you remember the first time you fell in love with Heinz? Heck yeah. I remember that. That was Itty Bitty Baby. I used to drink it out of the bottle.
I'm sure you were.
And I got my burger with my baked beans with bacon. Oh, that looks perfect. Let me see the inside of that. Wow. Is that on rye bread? Do they normally put it on rye?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I mean, me personally. They used to sneak rye bread in me. But this sucker is good and nice and thick. Very thick. So I can imagine what that 2-pounder what it looks like. And the beans look good too. I can't wait to get into them. They look they got bacon in it, dude. Oh, just the way I like my beans. Almost like Sonny's. I can't wait to taste it.
Well, take a taste.
Yeah, well, you know what I need from my burger?
Oh, my God.
I need my ketchup. This deserves it. Oh, does it deserve it? Right?
Yeah.
Probably deserves a little bit more. All right, let me put the phone down because it's interfering with my ketchup squeezing. Because I need more than just that on my burger.
And the fries.
How's your Reuben taste?
Excellent.
Cool. BB,
Yeah.
this is where the New Jersey comes out in me.
Okay. That's really anywhere.
That's a burger right there, dude. And I can just imagine what that 2-pound burger. I mean, I can hardly get that in my mouth. That thing is so big. Oh my gosh. Woo. Dude, this is what a diner, this is a diner here. This place ain't no joke. This is what diner food's supposed to taste like. And the baked beans, I hate to say, Sonny, you got competition. Because this is there. That's that is on point there, dude.
The coleslaw is on point.
Yeah. This is what a diner's supposed to be like, especially in the South. This is what a Southern diner tastes like. All right, baby, you eat. Since you beat me eating. Wow. Wow. All right, baby. What'd you think about it?
That was excellent.
Yeah. I mean, if there was more than excellent,
it would be on
it'd
top.
be up there.
Yeah.
But thanks to Jamie, our server. And as you look around here, I mean, this store is clean, or this diner is clean, I should say. And all the servers are talking to their customers, and
They're very friendly and contented.
And I will say this much, at Times Diner, whoever is in the back, all the people prep and cooking.
Excellent job.
Yeah, you guys deserve a standing ovation.
Yeah.
Because you know me, I like my burgers well done. And when I said well done, I said I didn't want to burn. And then Jamie was like, oh, just a little bit of pink. Boom.
Perfect.
That was the little bit of pink best burger that I've poured ketchup all over it in a long time. I mean, I'm surprised there's only one place. Like, this isn't branched out or something, but Tom's Diner definitely has it
going on?
Yeah, they have something going on here. And it only costs $21.95 for all that, the 2 sodas and our meal.
$21.25.
Yeah, either way. But the point is, it's like, I don't think there's no way I can eat 2 pounds with fries in 30 minutes. I had a hard time eating that, and I don't even know how many pounds that was.
I doubt it was a pound.
My gosh. Alrighty, dude. Until our next video.
See ya.
And they do serve breakfast all day here.
Yeah.
Then I want to give out a big burp to Tom's Diner. This definitely deserves a burp. I mean, that's a compliment.
Yeah.
And they were pretty fast. And they're packed for a place that's packed.
Yeah.
Now, until our next video.
See ya, everybody.
And we will check out this place definitely for dinner and breakfast, because I believe that this place can give Waffle House and Bob Evans, which is, I think they can beat them. I think if this wasn't in Winter Haven off of Havendale, which is like the Auburndale Winter Haven border, it's not inside Winter Haven, but they consider it Winter Haven. I promise you, if this was like in Lakeland, near Denny's or those IHOPs and Waffle House, I think they'd give them for their run for their money.
Yeah, they're staying pretty busy right where they're at, though.
Yeah. All right, now let me finish this video. Thank you, Jamie, the crew, Tom's Diner.
Thank you, everybody.
From BB's Adventure. Like and subscribe. Who cares about the likes? Just subscribe. Goodbye.